What's up guys, again this is 1 minute beatbox lesson, and today I'm going to share to you how to make an inward P snare sound. Okay, so the inward P snare sound, it sounds like this. Okay, so to do that inward P snare sound is you need to use your lips. Like, use your lips and try to push it forward while you're inhaling air in the middle. Like, okay, so push your lips forward, inhale some air in the middle while you are pronouncing the P word. Okay, so because when you do an outward P snare, it's like you're pushing forward your lips in the air like this. Okay, so when you do an inward, it's like you're pushing forward your lips, but you're inhaling some air in the middle. Okay, like this. Okay, so try it now. You can also combine this with any kind of beatbox pattern, like this. So just try it guys, and don't give up on making that sound, and practice it every day. Okay? Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. Peace!